caught that just in time.
Not very loud.
No. Oh my God. That was bananas, man. Wow. And all kinds of debris went in that building next door.
Oh, no kidding. I think they had stuff come out here in this street.
Woo.
I'm glad that guy moved his car because he'd have gotten.
Oh.
He'd have gotten a little bit of chunks on it.
Well, so much for that dehumidifier thing they had over there.
Yeah, that worked really well.
I think I caught it just as the second one went off, so I got lucky.
Cut it off.
Look at that garage. It's just going to be filled.
Dust. Yum.
It's amazing how they dropped that just in one spot.
I know. I mean, there couldn't have been 20 feet between that building.
Nope.
I've seen them do one right next to it. I mean, almost with a common
There it goes. It went.
5 feet. I'm going to tell you what, it left a whole lot smaller pile of rubble than I thought it would. That's how you know the top of that building.
No, God, that is small.
I guess they got to get them chunks. That's amazing. That's a whole lot louder than I thought it would be.
A lot what?
Louder. I thought it would just be, some pops and then it would just kind of go down. That was a lot of explosion.